I'm out here on a gorgeous day in Austin, hiking on the Barton Creek Greenbelt Trail. I'm actually starting at the end, but it's 7.5 miles. And we got a lot of folks out here because a lot of people are in town for the eclipse. That's happening in 2 days on Monday. But I'll probably see lots of people, but it's some pretty good weather. I'm going to try to do all 7.5 miles. I'm going to have Gabby pick me up at the end. I haven't actually gotten this far before in the trail, but I have done the middle section quite a bit. So we'll see. There's I think like 2 or 3 falls, a couple rock climbing walls, so we'll get to see it all. There's actually water on this end, not the other end, near the end. And this ends all the way down at Barton Springs. I hear the first signs of water. Little oasis over here. Uh-oh, try not to break my ankle. Oh! Dang, look at this. So in the summer, this is where I want to be. Like this because I've lived in Austin all my life and I've only started coming out here in the last couple months, and it's just out here just the birds are going, the nice water, it's kind of very relaxing actually. Get out of the hustle and the bustle of the city. Eventually we will cross under Mopac and head into downtown, so it will get some more bustle, but out here it's kind of nice. I'm not sure if y'all can hear this. I doubt it's going to pick up on the camera. There's someone playing a trumpet out here on the trail. We made it to Sculpture Falls and found the trumpet as well. Just Austin things. Sculpture Falls is one of the highlights of the trail. Lots of water not in the summer, but it has one of the best swimming places on the trail. So it's not even surprised that it's pretty packed with the temperature and the weather that we're having. Honestly surprised about the trumpet though. That was very unique. And just like that, the creek is it's thinning out. I don't think enough water has been over here to fill this up in a while. We are going to get some rain in a couple days, but I don't think it's enough. This is actually pretty sick. When it's full, I bet this thing can get pretty deep, dang. Big cave. You might be able to hear now. I'm getting really close to the Mopac overpass here that we're gonna go under. It's really loud, kind of takes you out of the moment of the hike, but I think, like, honestly, once I pass that, that's kind of like new terrain for me, so I'm probably gonna make a lot of wrong turns. But that's where on the other side of the Mopac from here is all the climbing walls, which I might need to come back and to explore, do some bouldering out here. Well, this is kind of nice. Got a bench and then some sketchy steps. They're going all the way up there to get to that rope swing. As you can hear, made it to the next highway crossing, sort of. Highway 360. I'm a little confused here. It says main trail this way. Also, main trail this way. So I'm having to consult the map. Yeah, fun. I'm just gonna send it to the left on this like kind of crazy crevice. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh, I actually did fall. Love that. Oh, and let's just hope this is the right way. Ladies and gentlemen, we found the trail again. This is the Gus Fra wall. See some anchors up there. One of the other walls. I think I hear some guys climbing over here. And this is like a nice area, nice shaded. Definitely coming back to this one. In the home stretch here, got about 1.5 miles left. My watch says I've done 6.5 miles. So, looking forward to it. Yeah, trail has really opened up, which is nice. And we got a breeze, so I'll probably enjoy this last 1.5 miles. The last couple feet to get to the trailhead, where I guess they're doing some construction. 7.88 miles on my watch. The Barton Creek Greenbelt. Overall stats from the hike: 2 hours 52 minutes to get it all. 848 active calories. 7.95 miles and 363 feet of elevation gained.